Hello, how's everybody today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you something that I ordered from an Etsy shop. It was one that Sara on Roxy Creations had mentioned in one of her videos. And this is from Lori of St. Louis Finds, and I will have all the information below the video for you. But this package was so nice. I order a lot of things from Etsy and a lot of things from people, and excuse me, I bumped the tripod. I wanted to share this with you because it was just so beautiful and very reasonably priced. So Lori has this listed as a slow stitch kit, and I ordered it for the quilt because I have a lot of quilts, but I didn't want to, I don't have any that I would cut up. And so I couldn't cut them up. We hand quilt, and I piece them together on my machine, and then I hand quilt. And so there's none that were cutter quilts. So, she has lace in there. It's so beautiful. And you get a really nice selection of things. There is some like crocheted lace. It's like an 18-inch, they're all about 18-inch sections. And of course, every one is different. You see that on there? Every kit is a little different because, she sources it, and there's a lot of vintage items. This, I believe, was the thank you. Yeah, all these goodies were the thank you. Little rosebuds, little doilies, some rickrack, little bits of lace, and maybe some tatting in there. Just real fine, delicate lace. It's got hearts on it. So this was a thank you in there, an extra. But there is, and it's listed on there what you're going to get. There was some sequins, which I only had pinks and blues, and she's got a lot of colors in this. Let's see if there's no glare. There's sequins, and then there is a pack of different types of, let me open this up. I mean, it's just a really good variety. I have plenty of embroidery floss, but these are really nice variety. There's a corticelli crochet silk. There's cottons. There's some Appleton wool here. I don't have any of that. I have a different wool. Silk threads, and then these are 1 yard each on this little card. She gives you a variety of DMC. And Lori was so nice. She emailed back and forth with me when I asked her about colors, and I told her my colors that I was looking to do, and she put what she could in there of those colors. So if you talk to her about that, she will help you out. And then some tapestry wools. This is a real pale pink with the sort of aqua in the lime green. So I love those colors. And there's some yo-yos in each, or Suffolk puffs. So, and they look like vintage fabrics. And beads. Lord knows I don't need any more beads, but these are lovely beads. They're shiny. I like the container she has them in. I like the way everything was packaged. It was packaged very nicely. And then buttons. Who doesn't love a beautiful shiny button? Lots of pretties. And then, oh, here's a little piece of lace I missed. Real delicate. Now the goodies. This is so beautiful, so delicate. There's like 3 pieces. It must have been maybe a pillowcase. And I thought the light green was like a marker or where the lines were, but no, it's stitching. Those are stitches. I thought it was really beautiful. Okay. And then this little piece, it's like a linen. I might add some other stitches on that. And this one I really like. I really like the en l'ensemble lace with the overlay. You can see that. It's beautiful. And then these sort of like Battenberg. I like this color of this one. Cream and a doily. And then we get into the fabrics. So, some little fabrics. Some more of that lace. And piece of that. And this is more like upholstery fabric. There's really a lot here for the price that she is asking. And this is a very different piece. This little rip was there, but that's fine because the lace is so delicate. Really looks vintage. A little piece of wool. Tweed, sort of. This was an interesting print. This one was really pretty. And this one, I love the back side. This is actually the wrong side of the fabric, and this is the right side. I don't know if you can hear that crow outside my window, but there's a crow outside. Okay. And this color, and then a solid, and another heavyweight woven. And this, I have none of this ticking, and so I was really glad that this was in here. So this will be fun to work with in some of my stitches. And this piece feels like it's either been starched or it has a backing on it, which I think it does. So there's a tan, a red, and a blue. Cheesecloth. It's always good. All mine is dyed, basically. And then this Battenberg piece. It's pretty. Piece for backing. Cream color. And then this was really interesting. This is like a card that they would have to show the laces. Now, they're all nylon laces, but they say 65 cents a yard. I don't know if you can read that. Oops. And then from the St. Louis Trimmings Incorporated. And then this one. was thinking that it had a year on there, but it doesn't. Okay. And then this is what I ordered it for, the little piece of quilting. So, and I'm really pleased with this. Really pleased. So I'll have the link below to Lori's shop, Lori's Etsy shop. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you're getting started on your Roxy's creation. And you've got your quilting. I'm sure most of you are much farther into it. But I'll be uploading my Roxy's Journal of Stitches very soon. And we'll go from there. But that's a lot of pieces. And the kit, I think the kit was only like $18. I really appreciate Lori and what she's able to source, you know, especially for new or people who are beginning in stitching. I have plenty of fabric and that, but it was fun to get some different things and different textures. So if you like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell your friends about it if they like stitching and painting. I was just working on a painting video before this one. So I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy your creativity.